It's no secret that the cost of owning a vehicle is skyrocketing, but for those chasing the thrill of high-performance cars, the real shock comes long after you have driven that vehicle off the lot. Sure, everyone loves the idea of a fast luxury ride, but the brutal reality is that owning one of these performance monsters could leave your wallet bleeding. As Chris Pyle, virtual mechanic over at JustAnswer, says, if you can afford these cars, you better be able to stomach the repair bills. Expensive performance cars may sound fun, but they're maintenance nightmares with repair costs that can spiral into the thousands. Think a $1,000 brake job or $30,000 for engine repairs, just for the privilege of driving one of these beasts off the lot. Buckle up. Here's a rundown of the 7 brands that will break your bank with every oil change. Nissan usually flies under the radar when it comes to expensive maintenance, except for one major exception, the Nissan GT-R. This high-performance legend, which can cost between $123 and $223 grand, is a mechanical money pit. Collisions and mechanical issues will bleed your finances, leaving you questioning every time you press the accelerator. Sure, it's fast, but can you afford it? With BMW, prepare to pay and pay and pay dearly. The brand ranks 30th out of 32 for reliability, according to Repair Pal, and annual maintenance costs hover around $1,000. The X Series alone could cost between $17,000 and $18,000 over a decade. Want luxury and speed? Prepare for financial ruin. Mercedes, luxury and tech in one unreliable package, with repair costs that can double those of competitors. Even the AMG high-performance models can leave you begging for mercy when something goes wrong. Stephen Ellick over at Consumer Reports points out that Mercedes costs more than double the price of Lincoln for maintenance over 10 years. Hope you've got a spare account for repairs only. Want a rugged off-road adventure? Land Rover is happy to oblige as long as you're ready for a crippling repair bill. Land Rover ranks 31 out of 32. For reliability, and you'll likely be dishing out 18, 19 grand in maintenance over a decade. Consumer Reports calls it one of the worst brands, second only to Jeep. So unless you enjoy throwing money at problems, steer clear. Porsche may scream performance, but behind the wheel, you're driving into a financial abyss. Over half of Porsche owners will need major repairs in the first 10 years. The Cayenne and Macan, in particular, will cost you over 20 grand in repairs over a decade. Even if you can handle the upfront costs, expect some constant bleeding of your finances. Bentley embodies luxury, but maintaining one is like owning a financial black hole. The Continental GT, for example, about 28 grand in maintenance costs over 10 years, and that's without even touching depreciation, insurance, and fuel costs. The true price of owning a Bentley, about 300 grand over 5 years. Not exactly a casual purchase. If you think Ferrari ownership is all glamour, think again. Routine maintenance costs range from $1,500 to $2,300 annually, with tire replacement and brake pads costing thousands. And heaven forbid something serious breaks. For a car that costs over 150 grand, repairs could easily push you into financial nightmare territory, unless, of course, you're a European soccer player. I know I'm the everyman driver, but these things intrigue me. Owning these luxury and performance cars may seem like the ultimate status symbol, but behind the gleam and power is brutal. The reality, my God, astronomical repair bills that can quickly become nightmares for even the most well-heeled drivers. Think twice before taking a plunge, because true cost of these high-performance machines goes far beyond the showroom price. For what it's worth, you're a normal person, right? Want to find the lowest deals on advertised prices in your area? Of course you do. New and used vehicles. Quotes.everymandriver.com is where you go. Use that drop-down menu on the right. Make, model, zip code for dealer pricing. If you don't like what you find in your area, expand that zip code. It could be worth hundreds or thousands of dollars in savings on a new or used vehicle by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. I've also got a direct link below this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest insights from the automotive world. Hope to see you next time. Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video.